Are you finding it difficult to mine Bittoken or you don't have anybody to refer? Then this video is for you. Okay, I'm going to share with us the new update now on Bittoken. What you will do to get 1 million RP points. So I'm going to share with us the new update now. So if you have not watched my previous video on how you get 700,000 RP points weekly, then after watching this particular video, you go and watch it because I've already shared the video before this one. So don't miss it because it explains everything step by step on how you get 700,000 RP points every week. Okay, so in this particular one, I'm going to share with us how you get 1 million RP points, whether you refer anybody or if you don't refer anybody. So calm down, watch this video from beginning to end. Okay, so remember when you log into your Bittoken, you claim your rewards here. Okay, when you claim it, the next thing you do now is you click on earn. When you click on earn, as you can see, you will be seeing 20 hours here. So don't mind my own, you are seeing 19 hours. So I just watched 1 hour, so that is why you are seeing 19. Then you watch these 20 ads. Then 1 ad you watch will give you 5,000 RP. So after watching 20 ads, you'll be getting 100,000 RP. So when you are done, that is why I said after watching this particular video, you go and watch the video I made on how you get 700,000 RP points. You understand more. So after watching these 20 ads now, that is the first thing you have to do. Then after watching it, you scroll and click on task as reward and claim it here. Okay, you claim those as rewards here. Then after that, what next will you do? You click on mine. Click on mine. When you click on mine, it will still bring you here, and the next thing you do is you click on streak. Click on streak here. When you click on streak now, so calm down and watch this video so that you understand how this particular place work, how you get those RP points you are seeing here. Okay, so as you can see, the day 1 is 1,000 RP, day 2 10,000, day 3 30,000, day 4 50,000, and day 5 100,000, day 6 50,000, and the last day is day 7, which is 759,000 RP points. Okay, how do you get these RP points? So this is where you will get that 1 million RP points every week. So how does it work? Let's go back. When you click on earn and watch these 20 as you are seeing here, after watching it, then you come to mine. But if you just come here and claim your rewards and just rush to strike, everything will be locked. So the first thing you do, you watch 20 hours. After watching it, then you click on mine and come here. Then when you come here, this 1,000 RP will open. Then you click on collect. So before it open, you will watch that 20 hours. After watching it, when you come here, you click on collect. You collect the day 1. Then day 2, you go and watch those 20 hours again. After watching it, the day 2 open. You collect this 10,000 RP. This is what you'll be doing one after the other every day till the last day, which is day 7. You claim the 759 RP points. So if you calculate it, 1,000 plus 10,000 plus 30 plus 50, if you calculate it, everything here should be giving you 1 million RP points, which you should be getting in just 7 days. So if you know you want to get this 1 million RP points without missing anyone, that means every day you log in and watch 20 hours and come here and claim it. Tomorrow you do the same, next tomorrow you do the same. But for example, if you watch this day 1 and day 2 and day 3, then the day 4 you miss watching that 20 hours. When you come back to day 5, it will not open. It will reset and bring you back to day 1. Is anybody following me? Let me explain it again. For example now, if you watch the day 1 and you come and collect this 1000 RP points, and tomorrow you miss watching that 20 hours, when you come back next tomorrow to watch, it will not bring you here. It will not bring you to 30. It will not bring you to day 3. I mean, it will reset and bring you back to day 1. That means if you want to get this 1 million RP points every week, don't miss watching those 20 hours. Make sure every day you log in and watch it and claim it till the day 7. You claim the last one, which is 795 RP points. That means you are getting 1 million RP points here just in 1 week. And when you watch my previous video, you will still get 700,000 RP every week again. When you add it up with this one, that means you should be getting 1,700,000 RP points every week without you referring anybody. Okay, so that is the new update I found out, and I implemented it and it worked out. So I said, let me come here and share it with us here. Okay, so if you have watched to this point, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. So that is the new update on Bittoken. Don't forget, after claiming your rewards here, you click on booster to increase your mining rate. Okay, then you click on end to watch 20 hours. So that will be the end of today's video. So implement it as I showed you now and see the result yourself. Okay, so if this is your first time coming across my channel, I am Treasure. I share more about money making ideas and business tips here. Okay, so this is my total disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor, so you are always advised to do your own personal research. Okay, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my latest updates like this. Okay, once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.